Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to actually make money with Black Friday deals. Man, that should be your goal. If you're going to spend any money on Black Friday, it should be to make some money. Here's my group right now. I want to introduce you to Funnel Hacker Pro. If you're not a member, you should be. Man, I put down tons and tons and tons of value in this group. Most people pay to be in this type of group. It's FHP.io. I hope to see you there. Let's go. So today is a Tech Tuesday. Usually it's Real Talk Tuesday, but it's Tech Tuesday and it's about Black Friday. Now, Black Friday, we have a couple of deals coming out, but I wanted to show you right now, here's how I made $57,000. This is where my whole internet thing kind of got started. And I made $50,000 on Fiverr. And how I did it was editing videos. And the two apps that I want you to take a look at for videos that I think where you can make a ton of money for is on Coolix. That's the first one I'm going to show you. And Coolix is really cool, right? So what happens is if you create a video, you have an interactive catalog, which you can show. And this is where the money is. They're going to do a Shopify integration. So people like, let's just give you some big names like Kylie Jenner. Her store is on Shopify. And she does makeup and lipstick and stuff like that. And I'm pretty sure if she had an interactive video where you can actually click through her product lines and do calls to action to buy now through the video, she would be interested in doing something like that. Anybody on Shopify, you want to increase your engagement on your Shopify store and keep people there longer, add interactive videos. You have lead forms, give me your name and address and phone number, and we'll have our sales guys get right back to you. But not only that, you can link Skype videos to this, Messenger, and all type of things right here. Give us a call through Skype right now. That's awesome. A product proposition, I'll show you that in a minute. And that's actually to say, hey man, buy this right now. Click here, and I'll show you that in a second. So here we are in the video. Now this is just the screen part of the video. And then this is it right here. Now you can see these two buttons. So we can just click here and go into some slides on how this actually works. Now, if there were more slides here, you can click to the right and see more, right? But then we can go to comfort, and there's some slides. You can also put a button here and actually go to the interior video. Now, what they're adding is where you can actually take a video and you can actually put a YouTube video in here to watch that, which is really cool. And then you can go through your slides. Right? So this is a really cool interactive thing that you can do. You can make money doing these types of videos on websites like Bombardier or Learjet. You can propose that. This is interactivity. This is things that people will be engaged on their website, and you can pitch this for sure. And you can pitch it for a whole lot more than what I was getting on fucking Fiverr. That's for sure. So you can see here, I just made a quick little bullshit video again, right? That's the little front end I made. And here's how you get your calls to action. Boom. Lease a jet now. Click there, and it'll send you somewhere. So you can go buy your little jet for $4 million. Not bad, not bad. All right, so the reason why I'm showing you this is because this is how you make money for Black Friday. Buy something that you can make money for right now. You also have analytics, which is really cool. So you can see what kind of engagement your videos are getting, the total views, total plays, total click-throughs. You know, you have 80% click-throughs, but here's what I really like. You can customize what you have. So you can show your engagement duration, your interaction rate. You can show all this. So you can take a completion rate off. You can put your total clicks and you can save that. And now you can see 20% uncompleted, yada, 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 right? So I really like that. You can also see who's been on your videos, where they from, and you know, like most people from France, because it's me, been watching my videos, but you can totally see how many views and plays that you've been getting. This is really cool. So not only can you make the videos, but you can also show your clients exactly what the view rate was, what the engagement was, But here's what's really cool. You can say, hey, listen, we need to change the video here. We need to change the video there. You can also, once the videos are done, they're not just set in the stone. You can come back and re-edit through whatever engagement you have and make changes to work with your analytics and try to make things better. Now, what's really awesome is that Coolix has a deal right now going on for Black Friday. You get all of this, right? And for I believe it's $125, guys. Click the link below. It's going directly to Coolix sites. I don't even get a commission for this. I like the actual product, right? So it's $125 and you get like 5 gigabytes of space, and then you can pay $99 more, and then you get an extra 10 gigabytes of space. If I were you, I would buy the extra package of 10 gigabytes, maybe 2 packages of 10 or 20 gigabytes. That'll be enough to make you a nice little lump sum of money with a few videos. And what should you charge for videos like this? If it were me and I was making these interactive videos for bigger companies, it would definitely be something around the $997 to $229.97 for that video, for an interactive video of exactly what they want. And I can show you how to build that. But if you go to Coolix on YouTube, you can see how to build these types of videos better than I can explain it to you. You do get a media library where you can upload everything. This is how I uploaded everything. And then you also can see leads. When you get leads to come in, you can get those leads and they come on here, but you can also attach Zapier. So when these leads come in, they go straight to your autoresponder, which I thought was pretty awesome. Here is the second Black Friday deal that I have for you, and it's Revio 2.0. This is the second iteration of this particular software package, and I really like it. And you can see right here, they even have vertical videos, which is cool. So my instant thing when I'm thinking about, especially with vertical videos, you can do vertical videos for brands, for Instagram stories, Facebook stories, etc. But you also have square videos for Instagram as well, right? So you can go by sizes, and you can go to just square videos, and those are square videos for Instagram, so you can see how that looks, or big Facebook ad type videos. Adding in your own video clips is possible here, so you can put your videos and then these nice graphics in between. Now, when I had to do this on Fiverr, man, I had to do this by hand in After Effects. Down here, you can see After Effects and Premiere Pro, and it would take me forever. These videos render out super quick. Now, the deal on this is like $77 and $97. I have a coupon so you can get $10 off on the $97 package, which gives you commercial use to resell these videos on Fiverr. And for free, you get 125 templates and unlimited rendering. I want that to be clear. Unlimited rendering. Now, a combination of Revio and interactivity with Coolix. Get some hybrid shit going on over there. Like, say for instance, you have a Gulfstream video, but in between that transition, you want to do some talking about different features of the jet. You put this in between the two jet videos, talk about the features, add the jet in these, and it'll look seamless inside of Coolix, which means you can really do some nice professional grade videos with 2 apps that cost you right around $200. I'm telling you, your return on investment, your first video that you ever do for someone, once you approach them, here's what I'm going to do. If you purchase either one of these or both of these from me, send me proof in an email that you purchased these from me, and I'm going to send you my cold email outreach package that I have to show you exactly how you can pitch brands without cold calling, right through email, and you can start getting money right back on your Black Friday deals the next day. Their Shopify app is coming out in a month or so, 3 weeks to a month, I believe. And once that Shopify plugin comes out, now I'm telling you right now, you heard it here first. This is an easy way to do a nice Shopify interactive video agency. You're brand new. You're not pitching the same thing. I'm really good at doing hybrid things. This will work. Invest in yourself and then take action and do it. and it will work. All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. I hope to see you here again real soon. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Click a thumbs up. Share this video if you know somebody that needs a low bar of entry into starting their own internet business. Perhaps they might like this video and use it. Remember, guys, anything will work. But the number one thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to do it every day. And don't make any excuses. Don't have any explanations. Let's get it done.